A single sneeze can launch droplets from your nose at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour, transforming it into a high-speed mini-jet engine that disperses invisible chaos. This rapid burst propels thousands of tiny particles into the air, each one a potential vessel for germs and viruses. Imagine the sheer force behind this biological phenomenon, comparable to the speed of a hurricane wind, effortlessly spreading across a room in seconds. While you may not see this microscopic tempest, its impact is all too real, contributing to the swift spread of illnesses. So next time you feel that tickle in your nose, remember the powerful gust lurking within, ready to make its mark on the world around you.